Have you ever wondered what Microsoft Excel could truly do for you? Are you aware of the immense potential that lies within those tiny cells? Well, wonder no more. Today, we delve into the world of Microsoft Excel, a tool that is far more than just a digital ledger. Imagine a world where data is not just numbers, but a key that unlocks a treasure trove of insights. This is the world of Microsoft Excel. From simple calculations to complex data analysis, Excel provides a platform for data-driven decision-making. Begin your journey with the basics. Understand cell references, master simple functions, learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Then take it a step further. Explore the power of logical functions such as if, and or. These functions provide the foundation for more complex operations. Next, navigate through the world of data analysis. Unravel the mysteries of functions like lookup, index, and match. These functions are the magic wands that transform raw data into meaningful insights. But the journey doesn't end here. Excel offers a plethora of features that are waiting to be explored. Dive into the ocean of pivot tables and pivot charts. These features allow you to summarize and analyze large data sets with ease. Now shift your focus to data visualization. Grasp the art of creating beautiful and insightful charts. Line charts, bar charts, pie charts, scatter plots. The options are endless. And finally, protect your data. Learn how to lock cells and protect worksheets. Understand the importance of data security and how Excel can help you achieve it. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of Excel is vast and constantly evolving. There's always something new to learn, a new feature to explore, a new problem to solve. So are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Are you ready to unlock the full potential of Microsoft Excel? Then sign up for Brattle Multi-Concepts Excel course today. It's time to transform your career, your organization, and your life with Microsoft Excel. Don't wait any longer. The key to your success lies within your reach. Unlock it today. For more information, email us brattlemulticoncepts@gmail.com or call +2 3 4 8 0 9 1 6 5 3 8 5 4.